Imagine that you can create an infinity of short videos with the help of artificial intelligence and that you can post on YouTube Shorts but also Instagram. It is a pleasure to bring tons of traffic to your online store. And with this, you can make up to $300 a day. For this tutorial, we will have to go through 3 simple steps. The first step is searching and choosing the niche. For that, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to do this very quickly, very efficiently, and correctly. In step number 2, we will create those short vertical videos in less than 5 minutes, and I will show you a site that will do this. The last step is to create that online store, and I want to tell you that you will be shocked how we will create that store. So stay to the end of this video and don't scroll so you can fully understand all the steps. Now that all of this has been said and you have a clearer picture of this tutorial in your head, let's get started. But I still want to ask you one thing: to subscribe to this channel and give a like to this video to help me to be seen and heard on this internet and this platform. Let's go to the first step of this tutorial, niche selection. For this, we will ChatGPT, and we will give him the next task. Give examples of 30 niches that you can create and post on social networks and in which you can sell products. And I was observing his GBT chat. He gave me these niches that I have to choose one of them. I will take this niche as today's example, fitness and health, but you can choose the one that you think is more suitable for you. So now we need to give it the following condition for GBT chat. We'll call it that. Give examples of 15 of the most popular products that are related to the topic of fitness and health. And we see that it gave me the 15 most popular products on this topic. Now you don't have to lose this list, because we will need it in step number 2 and also step number 3. Now that you have the NISA selected and the list of products in your NISA, it meant we were heading towards step number 2, creating short videos. As I told you, and later for this, a site will help us. The name of this site is InVideo.io. Maybe you have used this site before, but if not, I will tell you quickly what this site does. This site can generate both long and short videos just by telling it what you want your video to look like and what you want it to be about. But it also has other functions, among which is the choice of an example video and that you can edit it as you need. We will use the first function, which is the simplest and most effective. Now I will show you step by step what you need to do to create such a video. To begin with, we will refer to the InVideo.io site. After, you will have to create an account here. After, you click on Try InVideo AI. Now one important thing you have to do is click here down on YouTube Shorts. We do this because of the video I'm going to make the short and vertical. After you've done this, we move on to the description, how we want our video to look. Here you have to think carefully. You will now have to return to the list of products that Nia made ChatGPT, and you have to choose here a product about which you want to make the video. I will choose this one. After this, we will go back to our site and tell it how you want to make this video. Now that you haven't made a mistake, I'll give you an example that you can use. I'll just change the product and some details. Make a 1-minute vertical video clip in which you describe an exercise ball, fit ball, and to show pictures with these balls from the internet, but without copyright. At the end of this video, say you can find this ball in the description of this video. You will only have to change in this writing only the product, and that's it. I will place this text on my Twitter account, and not only this text, but also all the links from the sites I talked about in this video. You can find my Twitter account in the description of this video. After you have said what you want your video to look like, you will click on Generate a Video. Here now you will just have to wait for the site to do the work. Now let's look at our result.
Imagine a sphere of possibilities, a simple tool that can revolutionize your fitness routine. Meet the exercise ball, also known as the fit ball. This versatile piece of equipment isn't just for sitting, it's a gym in a globe. Whether you're looking to enhance your core stability, improve balance, or even just jazz up your office chair arrangement, the exercise ball rolls in as a perfect choice. Crafted from durable, burst-resistant rubber, these balls are designed to withstand the rigors of any workout, from the gentle stretches of a yoga session to the intense moves of a high-impact aerobic class. Available in a myriad of sizes, there's a fit ball just right for everyone, ensuring that no matter your height or fitness level, you can engage effectively. Use it to amp up exercises like planks and squats, or simply bounce gently to keep muscles engaged even while you work at your desk. The exercise ball invites you to push the boundaries of conventional fitness, embracing flexibility, strength, and fun in your daily routine. Curious to try one out? You can find this ball in the description of this video. Happy bounce!
It is very interesting and very effective, right? We have now only made a video about a selected nice product, but you will have to make at least one more video for all the products in the list given to you by ChatGPT. But with this site, this process will not take more than an hour. I won't make these videos now because I'm just showing an example and just one video is enough for me. Now let's move on to step number 3, creating the online store. Now you will be shocked that there is such a site that can do this. First of all, to tell you the name of the site, I ask that you leave this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Because if you do, this thing gives me motivation to make more videos like this and more interesting. Let's go further. So the name of the site is kit.com. This site will allow you to create a free online store where you can add any product you want. To understand that physically you will not have those products. You will only have images of those products and the exact price. Like any online store, only when the person clicks on it, buy, they will send it to Amazon where the product is, and if the person makes a purchase you will have a commission. I hope you have understood what kind of store we will create. Now I will show you step by step how to create a store of this kind, and how to bring products into it. The first time we have had this site, kit.com, and you will have to create an account on this site. For this, we click here in the upper corner and enter our email, a username and password, and that's all. Your account is created. Now we will create that store that this store is called Kit. So to do this we will click on this plus at the top. Here you will have to put the name of your store. If you can't do it yourself, ChatGPT can help you. You just tell it to give you 20 names of stores on your theme. For me, it is fitness and health. So, now I have to choose one of these. This one sounds good. After this, you will need to create a description of your shop again if you can't handle GPT chat yourself. Comes to your aid, and you give him the following condition. We are creating a description for an online store that is about fitness and health and contains hashtag. Now copy this and paste it here. After you have done this, you will need to add products. For that, you just have to put the name of the product or the link from the product and click on add. So we'll have to go back to the list that GPT chat made me of fitness and health products and add them all to my store. And that's all my online stores ready. Now all that's left for you to do is to post the videos you've created on all social networks. On Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, TikTok and more. And don't forget to put the link to your store with all the products in the video description. But I would advise you to choose a maximum of 2 social networks, so that you can focus only on them and increase them to have more views. Now you will have to post as many videos of these products as possible. And when I say more, I aim for no less than 3 videos per day. I guarantee you that for a month at this rate, you will bring a lot of traffic to your store and you will make many sales and a lot of money. Here she ends this method of making money online for free in 2024. So leave a like and subscribe to this channel to make me make more videos like this. But anyway, if you like me or not, I'm going to create a new video with a new method, because my goal is to make you financially free. But you now think about subscribing to this channel and becoming financially free or not subscribing and remaining a slave. The choice is yours.